One of the questions we ask is, do you want to be part of something special? We are reinventing ourselves as a company. So our strategy, our go-to-market strategy, our marketing strategy, our product strategy is something that's different, right? So we're creating the next 30 years in our company.
ALLDATA is absolutely the industry leader, and when we go to trade shows and events, it's apparent with our presence and our interaction with our customers. At ALLDATA we have some of the largest national major accounts in our portfolio.
ALLDATA is a great company to work for long term. I started out as a finance and billing manager, and I took advantage of our reimbursement program, got my advanced degree, and got myself from a billing manager up to a vice president of product strategy. And the facts are that it rewards people who do a great job, who are willing to work hard, people who have a passion for our business and for our customers. We started back in 1986 as the first provider of digital information to the automotive aftermarket, and we did that 31 years ago. We were the first to go to CD, we were the first to go to DVD, we were the first one to go online, and we're the first one to go to tablets, and now we're the first one connecting to vehicles. So really, we just spent the last 31 years looking at the greatest technology to solve our customers' problems.
We celebrate our wins. So we acknowledge people when they do something special, and I think that is a really nice part of the culture, celebrating each other's successes.
You have a great environment, you got a great morale, and you got a great approach.
And the coffee's really good.
There's a gym on site. I find that gym every day.
The wonderful thing about ALLDATA is that we work in Scrum teams, which are built on transparency and collaboration. So anyone coming in, they have a voice.
Welcome to A to Z Selling Skills Fundamentals. My name is Mike Christensen.
ALLDATA puts a great deal of investment in our employees. We like to ensure that right from their onboarding to their inception into a role, it is really a learning journey for them. They're getting all the tools and resources they need to be successful in their position.
We use a lot of methods and tools to kind of develop our products where we're creating wireframes and wire flows, and we can make a lot of iterations fast using those and do a lot of discovery.
We are definitely looking for people that are willing to go above and beyond. You know, we're always looking for new, fresh ideas.
ALLDATA, I think, is Elk Grove's best kept secret. When you think technology companies, you think San Francisco, Chicago, LA, and you're not thinking Elk Grove.
Sacramento is a fantastic location. It's a great alternative to being in the Bay Area, where it is either too expensive or too fast for probably young families as well as young professionals. I think being here in Elk Grove offers that perfect balance of you still get to be part of a world-class organization, but you get to do it at a pace which might be a little bit more comfortable.
This is a company that can invest in the things that you need to go get done. If you have a passion for something and you can show that there's a way to help a customer today, AutoZone is ready there to go invest and help you do those things.
It's a great work atmosphere. I think the longevity of a lot of our employees here really speaks to the fact that it's a great atmosphere to work in. I mean, people get here and they don't leave, so I think that really speaks for itself. We have a big, important job to do, but we also have fun doing it.